Hey everybody, welcome to your Math 1050 College Algebra Canvas tutorial. I wanted to go ahead and cover a few items of note that are important in this course. First off, I will mostly be communicating with you through announcements, so please make sure that your announcement notifications are on and that you're reading the announcements that will pop up on the top of the Canvas course. Second, if you're working on a phone, you might not be seeing those announcements very easily, so I suggest that you work on a laptop or a web device so that you can ensure that you're seeing everything as it should be seen in the Canvas course. Now, as we scroll down, we can see right on this course page we have a course schedule, which will give you most of the due dates for the course. We have the syllabus. Please read through that so you understand the agreement that you are making by being in this course. We have a link to Alex. You must use this link in order to be placed into the correct class. If you don't remember your Alex sign-in information, just make a new account and everything will work out nice. And also, this is a big one, all of the topic videos, or at least most of the topic videos, are found right here. I have multiple videos for every topic that we discuss in this course, and you can find them all right here, which means there's a lot of data in this link. If you click this link, sometimes it takes a long time to load. So what we can do is we can say, well, let's scroll down, click on Chapter 2. I also have them in each of the modules for the course. So this course is laid out into all these different modules, and then we have a midterm and a final, so it's kind of set apart by chapter, okay? And we can find everything that we need to do within those modules on the front page. We have our weekly reviews within our module. Then we have these repeating sections of topics that we have to do, and these quizzes. You can see there's quite a bit of those, right? Those are all done in Alex. Same thing with the exams and the retakes. All of the exams, except for the midterm and the final, are done on Alex, and then the midterm and the final are done in a proctored setting, so in some testing center or with a proctor that I've approved. Exam corrections, weekly reviews, example videos, the Getting Started module, and then the weekly discussions are all in Canvas. So we kind of have this dual thing going on. We have a Canvas and an Alex. The Alex tutorial will be coming. But within this Getting Started module, this is where you're going to find how to submit a proctor, okay, and you're going to sign up for your groups there. So that's all in there. Now, if we continue down, we'll have a course description. We also have my information right here. I have online office hours. They're also my in-person office hours. They're at the same time, so I'll just be on the computer. And the links to those virtually are here. So the Monday, Friday morning one is a different link than the Friday afternoon one. So you need to click on the one that you're attending. And then if you want to meet in my office, it's in the Noise Building in the bottom floor, 102B. Okay, the quickest way to get a hold of me is through Canvas. Now, we also at Snow College have provided this tutor.com, which should be on the left-hand side of your course. This tutor.com is a useful tool for doing your math assignments. There's 24/7 tutoring, so you can, if you're doing it late night, you can get the help that you need. But if you need other help or that's not working for you, please come see me in my office. We have exam reviews as well on this front page, okay? And all of this information, all these weekly reviews, all of the topics and the notes that you take, I highly encourage that you get a 3x5 or not a 3x5 card. You can use a 3x5 card, but I highly encourage you to get a 3-ring binder to put everything in to keep it organized. Okay? Organization in this class is going to serve you very well as you go through and complete all of the topics. So that is our Canvas course. I hope you found this video helpful.